So did this question ever cross your mind that did art going to give me any professional stability? Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Dipakshi and I create DIY videos related to fashion, jewelry, accessories, and you are most welcome in this brand new episode of Art Knowledge, in which I'm going to tell you how art can give you a professional stability. In other words, how you can choose a career being an artist. So without wasting much time, let us go and watch this video. Profession in my list of professions is graphic designing. We all know that we all need graphic designers for any kind of digital artwork, and they are very popular in demand these days because so many people shifted towards the online marketing and online business ways. So people need more such kind of people for their to increase their business or to showcase their work to other people, to reach their audience. Graphic designer is the place for you if you are someone who's creative and plus into a digital kind of interested in gadgets and all. Then you could choose a graphic designing profession. Second one is very creative and most of the women love this. Any guesses? Okay, I tell you. The second one is fashion designing. Lots and lots of women love fashion designing. I know this is a myth that only women love fashion designing. There are so many men out there who also love fashion designing, and no matter if you are a male or a female, if you are a good artist or you have a great creativity, then you should try your luck in fashion designing. This is the right place. If you are someone who is so much into fashion and keep yourself updated with trends, then you should try your career in fashion design. Did someone told you that interior designing is also a perfect place for creative and artistic people? What? No one? Wait, I'm telling you. See, interior designing is somebody can be done by only one person who is so much creative and can imagine a whole scenario in their mind while they see the place they want to decorate, and they need to be artistic for this as well. So if you're someone who is so much into art or and just love setting up the room, places, not just room, places and other things, then you should go for the interior designing. Tell me one thing, do I need to tell you that all those clothes you wear, I mean the textile, the clothes, I'm not talking about the ready product, I'm talking about the base product. जो पे design बनता है वो कौन बनाता है? Textile designers. And who are the designers? The artistic people. So if you are someone who is love designing for plain clothes and textiles, then this is the perfect job for you. Textile designing is very in demand because ethnic wear dresses or shawl, saris, carpets and all में textile designing सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी होती है. So if you are someone who is so much into art, you can try your luck in textile designing for sure. So let's talk about another digital creative service, which is web designing. Obviously, when you design a web page for someone, you need to be very creative and artistic to imagine कि उनका वो page उनकी profile के हिसाब से कैसा लगेगा, उनके business के हिसाब से कैसा लगेगा, what kind of color they should choose, what kind of designing there should be, words, calligraphy, and etc. All those things need to be clear and very nice if you are choosing your career as a web designer. Tell me one thing, have you seen movies like Kalank, Bajirao Mastani, Ram Leela or Devdas? Have you noticed there's one common thing among them, and which is their sets, which are very beautiful. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm talking about the set designing. For designing a film set, you need to be very artistic people. They look for artistic people when it comes to the set designing job. So if you're someone who can imagine the whole set and are very updated with the trends of films and designs, and if you think you can deliver the right kind of set to the producer or the director, then this is the perfect job for you. Animation industry has seen a large boom in past few years, and whom do you think that who rule these kind of industries? Creative people, obviously. So if you are someone who is into a digital plus into a artistic or a creative kind of a person, you can imagine a whole situation and create a cartoon character or something like that as per your imagination, that this is the right place and right job for you. You can try your hands on animation. There's a wide variety and wide scope in animation these days. As we know, there are so many cartoons, games, web portals. They use these kind of animation characters, so you can try your luck as well. So how many of you love the automobile? Most of us. But have you ever thought that who does all those designing and the looks, who change them? We, the creative people. There is a whole team behind designing the whole car, and which is called, this job is called automobile designing. You can try your hands if you're someone who's into cars or an automobile, any kind of automobile, and plus into a creativity or an artistic kind of a person, then this combination can lead you to become an automobile designer, which is going to be very beneficial for you, because you're going to be around your first love all the time, and you can use your creativity to improve that one as well. So if you're someone who is a best combination of automobile and the artistic person, then you should for sure try your hands in automobile designing. So I just hope when next time someone tell you that if you're artistic people and you are not going so far in your life, tell them you have so many opportunities out there to make your career and stand out in the crowd. So along with that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more creative updates, and do tell us about your experience in the comment section below, and we'll see you until next time. Bye bye, tata, see you, have a nice day.